Hi, this is Josh from Clay Squared to Infinity. And today we're going to talk about kitchen tile planning steps. Tiles can be a little overwhelming with all the choices available, so we're going to go over 7 steps to make the process a little easier. Step 1, I always recommend creating a vision for your tile project. We recommend researching in your favorite books, magazines, or on websites like Pinterest or Houzz or the Clay Squared website. Step 2, ask yourself some questions. What period was your house built in? Is it the Victorian, arts and crafts, bungalow, mid-century? Those kinds of things matter in trying to figure out how we want to design your space. Do you want to keep with the period or do you want to go into a different direction? Step 3, setting timelines. Ordering tiles from Clay Squared usually takes 3 to 4 weeks for us to produce and ship the tiles. On average, our historic tile lines we represent take 4 to 6 weeks for them to make and ship as well. Step 4, hiring an architect or designer, or doing it on your own. Designers and architects are great assets when building your home projects. They know lots of little details you would never think about. Usually you should set aside about 15% of your budget when hiring an architect or designer. To do it on your own as a DIY project, know your limits. If you're a patient person and keen on details, tile setting is a great and fun project to take on. Step number 5, outlets and switch plates. For ceramic switch plates, put them over your tiles just like you would with the plastic ones. We also include matching dyed nylon screws. Step number 6, time to allow yourself to design. Grid paper is a great product you can use to map out and visually see what you're working on. From there, you can get your measurements and calculate how many square feet of tile you need for your project. Step 7, placing your order. You can go to our website and order online, or you can call us up and ask questions about measurements and other small little parts you might need. We're happy to help you. We'll talk to you soon.